back to my channel. I'm back with yet another video. So for today's video I'm going to be sharing this fresh makeup tutorial using just 5 products. So let's get started. Firstly, using this L'Oreal Crystal Micro Essence and dabbing it nicely into my skin. It's super lightweight and gives that moisturizing and hydrating effect, so I really like using this. And then I'll go back with second layer under my eyes and on my lips. So once I'm done moisturizing my face with this essence, I'll move on with the concealer using this L'Oreal True Match Concealer and concealing my dark spots, dark circles and blemishes. I'm just keeping it very simple and showing you guys how you can look good with minimal products and make it look more natural. Obviously makeup will look like a makeup, but I'm just trying to show you guys using minimal products can make you look presentable and feel so fresh. So yes, moving on, using this beauty blender to blend the concealer. I take very good time in blending the concealer so that it will not look cakey. And this is how it looks after blending the concealer. You can see it has given natural finish, and also my dark circles, blemishes are still peeking through, which I don't mind. Okay, then for the third product, using this L'Oreal Matte Magic Compact and using same beauty blender to apply the compact. This will ensure the powder products melt nicely. So once the base makeup is all set, I'll move on with the fourth product, that is this L'Oreal Rouge Signature Lipstick in the shade 128. I'm going to be using this as a blush, lipstick and as an eyeshadow. As this lipstick has very good formula, they're lightweight and their texture is really good, like a creamy. So I thought I'll use it as a blush and it blends nicely, as you can see. So just make sure you apply very little product first, blend it nicely, and then you can reapply the product if you want to. So I'm making sure I blend it in upward direction like this and using beauty blender again to make sure it's blended nicely. Then using same lipstick as the eyeshadow, making sure I blend it nicely so that it gives flash of color and not look too overdone. So once I like the way my eyeshadow is looking, I'll use beauty blender on top just to make sure there is no crease lines, and then using same lipstick for my lips. So I like to dab the lipstick and blend it with the fingers, and this is how it looks like. Then for the last and fifth product, I'm using this Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal again, and taking off all the excess mascara, and I'm coating my upper lashes only. I like the way how it looks applying mascara only for the upper lashes, and now using this spoolie to take off any clumps or any extra product on the lashes. Now for the last step, using same mascara to fill in my eyebrows, making my eyebrows look more bushy and thick. Also applied some compact and brushed off the excess. With that, I finished this minimal makeup look using 5 products from one brand. I really hope you guys liked this video and it was helpful. All these L'Oreal products are like really my favorite ones and they are amazing, so I thought I should like make one brand tutorial using these products. So yeah, with that being said, I'll wrap up this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.